All right, so as I move forward, we can see we locked it off. So looks kind of naked. We have a naked ass. So here's something I'm going to show you before I clean it up. And I got the frame rail, I got the whole back cut off, but look at the amount of stuff that gets inside the frame. I mean, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so what I've done is I've notched this out. So why I've left this like this is, one, I do not want to get into messing with the guy's forelink, and he has this brace back here on the back. So all this is going to have to get caught up when I get this cleaned up, squared up, and I did it on both sides, as you can see, so that I can get in here. I got to drill some holes and some other stuff to reinforce this frame that we're getting ready to continue off the back here. So my camera around. All right, so I've cut out the center section of that cage there because we're redesigning it. I've cleaned off the top part of the axle. I'm not going to do all the stuff on the bottom. He can do that. That'll save a little money. I picked up a piece of 2x4 quarter wall square tubing that will be placed in here to help stiffen the frame up there and there and give us a good working surface to truggy the back off. So we got some more cleanup. Get this stuff off of here like that. This cage has obviously been leaned on the passenger side more than once. Okay, so what I've done is I've cut out the body. I got the frame notched, and there's a body support inside the frame that sits underneath the cab. I'll turn my camera around here, and you can see on this side I've got it marked out. I haven't cut it out yet. This side I've notched that out. Now that 2x3 quarter wall square tubing I got will slide up in there. So that 2x3 square quarter wall tubing will slide back in there and help pick that up. That'll help pick up all this, because as you can, I mean, you can flex this and all this structure here's on it. So when I get that in, I'm going to then fold these sides over on top of it and box that in, and that is going to be our base. I'll show you as I do it, but alright, so now you can see what I kind of have going here. I'll have to knock this edge off down here because I want it to be nice and flush, which I kind of figured I would, but you can see that I've got it. It goes back in the frame like that, so that'll help pick up some of the load on these for this hoop. But this is going to look pretty good when we're done. Alright, so you can see that I notched there and there. So what we're going to do is we will take a bottle jack. Where's it at? Oh, good Lord. So we're going to take a bottle jack and force that up in there. I got a little more cleaning up to do. You can see, so that those will slide up in there in those notches. That's going to give us a whole lot more welding. So I'm going to like that a lot better. Plus it's going to give that back a little more streamline across here. So I think it'll look good. Okay, so you can see I got that up in there and welded up right there. And now you can see kind of how I boxed that in.